All right. Should be good to go. I appreciate that, but Medman handles it pretty fast. So pretty fast. Good morning, everyone. Welcome back in. I got the turn the ads off on YouTube so you all get the best, the fastest stream. You're back. How you doing, Neil? If you have any questions or anything we should talk about, let's do it. We got plenty of time. I joined early just for that. I better share the actual live, I guess. Huh? Can you all share for me? Let everyone know we're on here early. Should do a giveaway this morning. Good morning. Hey, Henny, that's a good idea. That is a good idea. Madman, how does YouTube look? It's saying it's poor quality here. Can everyone see YouTube? Is everything pretty fast? What about the rest of you all? Can you hear me? How's the delay this morning? Good morning, Bill. Good morning, Hummer. Welcome in, everyone. I wonder if I can adjust the settings while streaming. Cannot. So, everything looks good. Trying to think of a good poll. Good way to word that, Henny. Yes, it is early start, Bill. Early. I had a good workout this morning. Everything went smooth. I was like, well, I'm just gonna get on with them already. Yeah, man. The if it's saying the quality's not good, would that make it not send out to as many people? What I'm wondering. Share the live, everyone, as you come in. Drop your questions in the chat. Give me something to talk about. Is Jay done live? Has he posted the Zoom? All right, give me a second. I cannot share yet, Spartan, or unmute, but I joined the Zoom. Yeah, I had to black the screen out for a minute. Had to get Zoom.
What's good, y'all? How do we win? We're going to find out today, Kelly.
Good morning. Good morning. Hopefully, it's make a nice bag today, everyone. What I want to do. You like that, Rex? I'm working on pivot points for Grizzology, everyone. For those that use pivots, I'm trying my best to get them added. So I just need some more people to tell me how they actually use pivots because I know I understand what pivots are, how they work, but I need to know more how people use them. More insight. Welcome in, Baxter. Appreciate the introduction. Oh, Pivot point, Daz. Just do a quick search on pivot points. It's quite the definition, or I would break it down here for you. AI, you may ask AI, but basically like using support and resistance in a way. They're calculated different ways. Good morning, Nick. How you doing this morning, man? Oh, that's trying to make a new pre-market high. Let's see what happens here. Are we pushing higher? Jay done fix that. Ooh. He quit yawning. I don't know why. Did Bank of the Statement put out a? Did that really happen, original? Or is it like a scam? You might want to be careful. I know Bank of America has sent out warnings about scams. So. Caught one trade this morning, everyone. I was gonna give it to you all, but the YouTube messed up. I caught some longs. YouTube was messing up this morning. It's still messed up. Same poor quality, but you all said the screen looked good and the delay's not bad, right? I'm not for sure. I made some money. I took it with a 2NQ. Right here was the trade. When we pushed down, I went long at 90 and I put my stop below the candle. Nearly got it right here. I just worry about people getting in late, Original. It's a lot easier when I take swing trades to post, but I haven't been taking any. I hate when I try to post like a day trade and people get in late. They don't understand. You know what I mean? I just post the setup beforehand, right? I need to put, if I'm going to do that, I need to put like a timestamp on it, right? Like say, okay, if the move's already happened, do not enter. Good morning. Good morning, Jada.
Dog, how you doing?
Good, man. Trying to make some money today.
That's the game plan.
That bear been messing with you anymore?
Yeah,
The
no,
garbage.
the garbage is forever. He's gonna forever stay on in the garage from now on.
You have anything you're watching other than waiting on the 15-minute range?
Not really. Just staying patient. Wait. Just waiting, watching BPA for huge. What about you? You got anything to watch?
Not really. Not really. See what I made here. I made 1,351 from that pre-market trade. Nice. Well, I'm plus 300 on the week after the technical issue yesterday. Yeah, I did that with 2NQ. Exactly 2NQ.
Let's get it, y'all. Let's go. It's almost game time. Looks good. Yeah, you got a haircut now. Got the
Let me adjust this for you. Previous day high and pre-market high close together. Share it live, everyone. I don't know what YouTube's problem is this morning, but good morning. Excuse me. Have not yet recovered from the straw. What is it? Good morning, Thomas. Drinking some more tea this morning. What is everyone else sipping on? Danny's watching a 725.5 area rejection on QQQ. Nice, Danny. Good morning. Oh yeah, I got you. Life always has a way of providing unnecessary problems to deal with, for sure. It's always something, huh? Kenny says, "What you call a well-balanced horse?" Let me see, Kenny. Clown Fishing says, "Picked up an Apex eval using code Grizzly." Appreciate it, Clown. Appreciate it. Stable? Nice. Nice, Kenny. I'm sipping on some tea. Good morning, Emma. Welcome in. Glad to have you. Good morning. Who else am I missing? What's up, Chris? Ashley? Liv, good morning. How do I figure pre-market high and low? I just get the I like 4 a.m. to 9:30 ET. Good morning, White Walker. Make sure to share it, everyone. I will be doing a take profit giveaway later today. Gonna give away some 50K evals. So stick around for that. Maybe Apex eval as well. Everyone, YouTube, I need everyone in the chat to vote on the poll. I want to see how accurate it is. Henny had the ideal, so thank you, top choice. Oh, you're on the beach? Nice. I need the beach in my life for about 3 days. Then I'll be ready for the grind again. Need about 3 days of the beach. Little vacation. Appreciate it. I made a nice bag this morning so far, so let's hope it keeps going. I'm officially up 300 on the week, even after yesterday's uh, trade of 8 issue. I made 1,300 this morning, 1,350. So. Look how close it came to stopping me out. For those just joining, I was showing this earlier. But as we come down here, I tried this midline bounce with NQ. Had my stop right here. Look how close that candle came to getting it. That's wild, right? Thank you. It bounced that midline again, huh? I just realized that while I was doing the demonstration there. Good morning, Fabiola. Oh. Nick, was it you that owned all the real estate? It is you, right? I found a property, some land I want to buy, but it's 1.6 million. I'm trying to figure out the best way to fund it because I don't want to use cash. I don't want to use my savings and stuff. I don't know the best route. I mean, if seller financed, if I did seller finance it, like what would it? I don't know how that would work. Would the down payment have to be a certain percentage? I'm just talking. Been making moves in real estate, so you said jumbo loan, Josh? Well, the seller is a logging company. Would that make a difference? Or like a some kind of big company. It's not an individual. The seller will not finance over $1 million. They would have to be crazy. Fair enough. That's what I was thinking. That seemed like a lot to me. Why are they selling it? They're done with it. It's a big mountain. The whole mountain's for sale. Um, it's just wood, some trails. Nothing. No utilities. No anything. I don't quite. I mean, I probably have close to. I don't think I have $1 million worth of land right now in value from what I own. What's the prayer, Corey? He said it's a trader's prayer. Let's hear it. I want to see what the prayer is. I've got a lot going on between working towards trying to get my contractor's license. I looked into the class you all told me. Hold on, let me read Corey's prayer. Amen. I got you, Corey. Good morning, Roman. What was I talking about? Oh, I looked into the class that you all told me to take for my contractor's license, but is the class limits you as opposed to actually taking studying and taking both tests. You can't bid on property. Uh, your limit is like 175K that you can bid on. With the other part, you can do like up to 800,000. Hope you all make some money today. You people understand the grind we're on. Working towards your goals every day. Few people will understand it. Good thing about the community here, we all know what it takes for the most part. The bots even grind in here. That's how serious we are. You know. Alexander, I will look into it. I haven't, Nick. I try to do most of my real estate stuff without a partner. Everything I read, everything I've studied, it says if you are not careful who you choose for a partner, that's one of the biggest mistakes you can make with real estate. It may just, I'm not for sure if it's even worth it from all the stuff I've read. Would it be? You've worked construction for years. What does contracting license require, and what can you do with it? So if you have a contractor's license, KG, say you buy some land and you want to build on it, right? You can sub all the work out yourself, or you can bid on projects. Say you want to get the job building a house. You don't have to have a crew. You can bid on it, get the job, and sub all the work out as long as you know what you're doing, right? It's going to set you up to be able to get jobs and make money. Having your contractor's license is very valuable. It's easier to get it if you're a minority. I know that for a fact. They try to help the minority. Because I know a guy, his wife actually got the contractor's license. It was easier for her for some reason. I don't know. It's just how it works in the state of Tennessee. The people I've talked to, that's the advice they gave me. You're welcome. Good morning, me. Oh, it's time. I gotta talk to Team Bull. Jesus, I lost track of time talking to you. Share it live. Share it. Help me out.
And reply.
Let's do this, Team Bull.
Let's do it, Grizzly Glock.
Let's do it, man.
Oh, I'm sore. My workout.
Contractor's license, you can study online, yes. All right. Market's open.
Let's get it. Trade smart, trade safe, stay focused, and let's get to the money today, everybody.
Let's do it.
Spurs play enough football, yeah, right.
Good morning. Good morning. That midline on that fair value gap has dad strength. So what's the poll look like? I dropped a poll in the YouTube chat trying to see what everyone's guess is the way we're going. I got longs and shorts. 67% say longs is a play today. I don't really. You know how I am. I know you all can. You all are pretty solid at picking a direction, but just I never know. I just go with it. When it gets to my key levels, that's where I can make my decision based off volume and delta. I would say right now, just looking at everything, a balance is what I'm looking for longs. Wish my laptop would quit timing out. I'm gonna turn that off. I'm up $1,350 this morning, which puts me up $350 on the week. We need one good trade. Captain Chaos, I haven't traded. Oh, you mean pre-market? My bad. I'm ashamed. Nope, I have no max loss set on my trade of 8. I checked it, logged out, checked it, logged back out, then logged back in. It was still good. So money move daily. That's what I was saying. That's a lot of a buffer. A lot. Let me talk to Jaden. Sorry, Jaden. What was you saying?
And are you watching anything?
No, not right now. Just, I mean, maybe around pre-market low bounce, but quite a ways off.
We're a ways away, like 100 points away.
Hopefully, we don't have a massive 15-minute range. Good morning, everyone. If I missed you coming in,
Can't stand baseball, bro.
I like playing it. Just can't hardly watch it on TV, you know.
Oh my gosh, you couldn't pay me to go watch a freaking baseball game.
We used to
Gee,
run.
hush.
We used to play. Used to run softball games. We had a field we'd all go meet up and play in. That was fun. But yeah, I'm with you. I can't watch it. Maybe in person, but I like watching hockey in person. Ed, you just got 5 Apex accounts with code Grizzly. Appreciate it, Ed. If you reach your payout, man, rooting for
Need to
you.
watch cricket?
What's a cricket?
Cricket. Ribbit.
That's a frog.
Frogger. Playing Frogger.
Everyone says pickleball's the way, but I have yet to play it. I think I may have tried it once or something, but
I played one time. One time. I actually liked it. It was fun. I was a fan.
I'll just stick with cornhole, I guess.
What?
Cornhole, you ever play cornhole?
Oh yeah. Grizzly going hog wild.
I've seen banana ball? No, I've never. I don't know what that is. Sounds like something Gene J done playing over there.
Il football. What up? Mexico plays on Thursday? When does USA play? Yeah, World Cup. Does it officially start Thursday? Yeah, that's exciting.
I thought it already started. I don't keep up with it, but it's in the U.S., right?
Yep.
Yeah.
Mexico, Canada, and U.S.
So this will be the last time we see it in the U.S. in our lifetime. Is that true?
Is it the last time it'll be in the U.S. in our lifetime?
I don't know. I was asking, is that the truth?
I don't know. I have no idea. I couldn't tell you. The football. All right, let's wait and see what we get. Everybody, staying patient, trading smart, trading safe.
She is good, Derek. Or
for one nice
Hoff,
good
whatever
trade.
your name
That's
is.
all it takes. That's all it takes, baby. One good trade a day.
So we have existing home sales at 10 and wholesale inventory.
CPI tomorrow.
You like CPI, don't you? For the accounts.
You know, I always tell people it's like if you can nail it, you can kill it.
All right. Let me know if you take anything, J. John. It'll probably be the 15-minute range in before I do. So.
All right, let's get it.
Good morning, Naya. How are you? Real quick, can everyone see my screen? Hear me well? We've had some weird stuff going on. Just want to make sure. I will be doing a giveaway at the end of this live, so make sure you stick around for that. And I appreciate you all for showing up, hanging out, keeping the vibes good, and using code Grizzly for your funded accounts. It all means a lot. Yeah, I'll check that out, Beck. Thanks, Bill. Hopefully we have some better movement today. Grizzology had a little win yesterday after we left with the orb retest. See what happens. Everyone's bias is longs, but where? Question: where would you look for a long entry? Not everyone's biased, but 70% of the poll says longs is a move today. Share it live, TikTok, YouTube. Nice, Scott. The point of control above, but we had the opening candle was red. The next one was quite the battle. So let's see what this one tells us. This one actually have our 15-minute range in. So few watt bounce, that could be it if we pull back. Oh. Good morning. You're looking for a 740 short? Danny, where was that short you were looking at on QQQ? Tiffany, so you just purchased 5 Apex accounts. Do I have a video on how to copy trade them in Tradeovate? You have to have the group trader. Tiffany, the easiest way, just do like a YouTube search, how to use Tradeovate group trader. and it should walk you right through that. Okay, it's not too hard to understand. Just understand the way you got to position for them to. Your position size has to be set so it'll take the same amount across all accounts. So just be sure you understand that. Probably could have thought of a better way to word that, but you get what I'm saying. Yeah, you cannot use the ATM feature with Group Trader. I was hoping this kennel would chill out. I'm not for sure what looks different. Maybe our chart settings or candles or um. Do you have your data, live data turned on? That could be it. Jesus, chill out, Kendall. Of course, it'd have to be a 100-point plus candle. I don't know what I did. Oh, where do we even enter, though? The amount of risk on that previous candle is more than even I want. If you have any questions, drop them in chat. I'm watching. Where will we take the long entry? Is a question. It's just going straight up. Well, chill out, NQ. Were you looking rip longs, Jada?
We'll see.
My computer will quit timing out. goodness. What a bump.
Strong uptrend days. I like to use my Fibonacci retracement.
Trend butter. This candle has time to make the high volume, huh? Benjamin, you make 400 on an oil sell off of Grizzology? Nice. I haven't tried oil with Grizzology. Maybe, no. Did we try it once on here? It was gold that we tried, wasn't it? We tried gold once. Good Lord, what a candle here. I'll take a look at it, Benjamin, when I'm done this morning. I want to check out that trade. Nice. Would love to have you all inside Grizzology. Grizzology is an indicator you see on my screen here. It also comes with a community chat, so you can keep in touch with everyone, all the community, all the subscribers there. And it comes with a user guide and updates. Try to do updates quarterly, sometimes multiple. So, what are we thinking, everyone? Is it just going to rip down here? Well, we're pulling back. We took this. Jesus. I feel like a much better entry would be around that 15-minute range high.
I know. I'm watching this 2-bar. It's just low key, a little risky. We'll watch how we touch it, like 800.
Yeah, 800 would be the correct entry, I guess, but I feel like it wants that 15-minute range.
We touched it for a split second. I'm not in quite yet. We just have those levels right below, so it's a little concerning.
And we have 10 a.m. data as well. You have to keep in mind. I mean, if we was going to try this bounce, this would technically be the area.
Higher risk. Let's see. I'm gonna try this long here, guys, for a 2-bar. 8. Here we go. I'm entering now at 790. It's higher risk, guys. It's higher risk. I'm gonna go lighter size. I didn't try the longs. Tried the longs. It's higher risk.
Try some
key levels right below.
I'm gonna try some right down around the 15-minute range low.
Tried the longs. Stops at 758.
Or range high, rather.
I filled at 792.5, so 793.
I'm starting my position here. I left room to add. I left room to add. Started. Left room to add.
Full on trend yet, so it's a little riskier, but it was worth initial try.
I'll let him manage that. You all hear me? I started my position in the 90s. Left room to add. Better adjust my stop loss. Did everyone hear me? Surely. No one's talking now on TikTok side or on YouTube side. Awesome. I feel like the safer entry is going to be around the 15-minute range. High. Just looking at this, but this is the legit setup. I have to follow the system. This is the higher volume candle, 50% retracement. That's why I started my position there. Um, all right, I did add one NQ there, which it didn't make sense when my average came out. I figured it would be lower 80s, but put me upper 80s. Not for sure. You got two stops. You can either stop below that previous day high or this previous candle. Uh, looks like it's going to hit both. I don't get my stop. Got my stop, everyone. Straight down. Literally faded that candle instantly. What can you do? Jaden got smoked on that one too. Just an orb set up, failed. Oh, you can only use so many indicators, I can't watch them all. I don't mean that rude, I'm just saying. There's always going to be, when I take a trade, someone will say, you should have watched this or this. And I was up so nice, gave back my profits.
We don't get there to 1-to-1.
That candle was ripped straight down, man. Unfortunate.
I like the setup though.
I did too.
Even taking that, even if I would have taken that, I would have likely tried this 15-minute high and pre-market high, and that would have gotten stopped out too. It's just one of those deals. See how price wants to act.
What time is it? Data dropping in 2 minutes.
Yep.
And the orb just fell straight through today. That's all there is to it. It looked great. We tried it. It just fell through.
Volume and everything just died. I really I like that setup a lot, but it happens, it is. What you get, you don't throw a fit, right? Great.
Good morning, Shazo.
We also could potentially chop, so we'll see.
54 seconds. I don't know. We're pumping out this, or is it?
Knowing my luck, probably. Let's see what we can get, y'all. Staying patient, trading smart, and trading safe. We got
12 seconds.
Yep, even this setup would have died.
Point of control for it. Is that? Did it just want point of control?
See.
Oh wow, falling through all of it.
Yep.
The VWAP.
We still got some wiggle room today. We're down about $700, so we'll take it. We still got some wiggle room. We can still call our way back if we find a good trade. But if not, if that was the only trade that I take today, then I'd end red and that'd be fine. Because the market's open tomorrow. Come back tomorrow. Right back to battle.
Only choice we have.
Yep. We need some Metallica. That's why we didn't win. Metallica. Where's my Stand Man? Where's my Stand Man?
Huh, one in VWAP for sure. Wonder if we get a higher volume candle here for another possible long entry.
Um, All right. I got a piss like a racehorse. Gene, you want to come say hi? Gene's coming to say hello.
All right. Got some decent volume on this so far. That's a good. That's the question. That's $1 million question, Lance. Multi-million-dollar question. Uh-oh. Hmm. Yeah, this is not going to be the long entry for sure. Let's just. What did it close at, Danny? I don't see a long entry. It does this to us sometimes. It'll give us an ugly candle and make the move, not giving us an entry. You know? I was watching for a high volume candle for a long entry, but we just haven't got it. The previous one had high volume, but it was negative delta. One thing I hope it doesn't do is break this pre-market low. Because I hate days we go pre-market high, then pre-market low, or vice versa. The worst type of days. Like it's going to break down. What are we doing here? I don't know what to do. Don't know. The SpaceX IPO? Oh yeah. Any questions? I'm still waiting. Waiting on another setup. I feel like it's gonna sweep this pre-market low, everyone. I will be careful about chasing, okay? Chasing shorts. The only trade I've seen this morning is the one we tried. I usually roll contracts whenever Trade of 8 does. Or, sorry, Trading View. Whenever they roll contracts, that's when I roll. When the other contract has higher volume. The new contract has higher volume than the old. That's the time you roll your contracts on futures. Nice, Shazo. Oh, we tried a long earlier, everyone. Just the orb confirmed a nice long entry. I mean, it looked great. We tried it in the 90s, and then we added right here at 70s, and it stopped us out right below this previous day. You could have stopped out here or there. Still got to give the take profit accounts away here in a bit, okay? Jesus. Over 100-point candle here. I'm going to give away one take profit account right now to someone that shares the live. Repost it, share it while we're waiting. This pre-market low would be a short entry, everyone. I mean, if we tried it, it's a lot of risk, right?
570.
You're looking for a short.
Yep. Watching anything? See anything you like?
566 short. And that setup looks so good, we call.
I know. It's not looking like we're going to get the retracement, man.
What order retest?
Not looking like we're going to get the retracement. I wanted to see us move up. I'm not in a trade. How would I have a stop loss? I'm not in a trade. I'd like to see move, boom, boom, or some sort of reversal. Well, actually, you don't even really have any.
I mean, we got a couple bounce areas.
Maybe
We just got to be
previous to
careful.
low.
Quite the aggressive sell-off.
That Asia low.
Yeah, I like Asia low.
Down to 300.
Yeah. But we got this previous day point of control coming up. I wonder what happens there. I want to see if it respects it.
Oh my gosh.
Man, it's crazy.
You missed the initial liquidity sweep and the equilibrium trade. ICT, bro. I'm not actually like making money.
I mean, there's always going to be indicators or something someone pulls up and you take a losing trade. Like, you should have been using this.
They all come out of the woodworks.
I can't use 1,000 different indicators at once.
One tiny baby losing trade. Everyone's like, "Yep, you should be trading ICT." What about the last 3 weeks? With literally not. I think maybe one losing trade.
I have back tested all results from fair value gaps. I see the fair value gaps are not profitable by themselves, not even close. And I have the results. It is not even close. I have not found a strategy you can use with fair value gaps alone that works. You have to use it for added confluence to your proven strategy. That's it. It's the only way to use it.
You will never find an institutional trader using ICT ever. Ever. It just simply won't happen.
The orb is a profitable strategy. It's just you have to be on your game. You can't. There's not much room for error.
Yeah, no, I guess it's a good thing that the haters watch us, though. I mean, it shows that they know who the best trader on this app is. They know where the winning trades are.
It's Gene.
I'll never understand it. Yeah, a lot of the reason that these ICT people make these long YouTube videos that are super complex is because they can charge more for their courses. The more complex you make something,
I like fair value gaps to use for added confluence. I don't have an issue with them. I'm just telling you all the results. Spent hundreds of hours backtesting, or I'm not doing all the backtesting. Actually, some of it can be done through programs, which I've had to implement more. Used to, I was just old school. I would go through charts myself. But once you get to building indicators and stuff, you have to step it up. I tried the orb to the upside and it failed. Everyone, I took a losing trade there. 100%. That's a new point of control. Right at previous day point of control. Is that not interesting? No, I actually to backtest. I got access to all the data through a company, so I can now backtest like that. Um, I mean, you can use AI to build you a program to backtest. Crazy, Brady. I'm just calling you Brady. That's what you're talking about. But they have you can act, people have things you can buy to backtest as well, like softwares. Completely up to you. That's what I'm wondering, Alexander. That's a good question, man. What's going on here? Start with the data something. The company I'm using. There's a fake Grizzly in the TikTok live following people, so be careful. I will not follow you or DM you first. One losing trade so far. I caught a winning trade pre-market and one losing during market open. So 1 and 1. Nice. Wish they'd get inflation under control so they could lower the rates. That'd be nice. Hmm. Now this is interesting here. What's everyone's thoughts here? Let's talk about it. Danny, what are you eyeing here? You caught a winning trade earlier. What are you eyeing? That is a strong candle. Anybody? We not looking for another trade? We make a new low today. I only have one more level I'm watching, but it could be the level, so we'll see. I have to pick someone for the take profit for sharing the live earlier. Who shared it? I didn't pick, did I? I got distracted. My bad. All right. Risk to riches. You can have it. Risk to riches on TikTok. I gave away to YouTube yesterday. So. Oh,
Just hold every trade till it's a winner.
have you was you looking for a short or a long?
Yeah, I was wondering if you tried that long way up there either.
What long?
Earlier, what the one you were planning on? The one that I took it a little earlier than you were planning on.
Oh yeah, I got stopped out on that
I didn't know
orb.
if you ever tried it.
Yeah, I tried it, man. I gave back my profits from the first trade basically. I had two trades. I had one pre-market made 1,300, then I took that one and it just shot straight down to my stop. Took it with NQ as well. So
was really hoping we'd get a nice move back up to the supermarket low.
I mean, even though we're having some good movement here, I don't like it today. I never like it when we break pre-market high and low in the same day. Last level I have is previous day low, Asia low bounce. If that fails, I really wouldn't be comfortable taking anything else. I don't believe. So I get so overextended on lower time frames, you know. There's so much weakness. Any day times that we just fall.
Trade pissed me off earlier. Not very pissed off, but it was a good trade. Good setup.
No broke phones, right?
No,
Too soon.
I'd rather lose 10 trades than go film for 10 hours of long form. Now we're pushing down.
Right.
There's no world where I would have taken this trade right here, though. Some of the best trades are the ones I don't take. I mean, that's hindsight, baby. That's how it goes.
Remember, if I give you a take profit account, everyone, you have to DM me your email link to take profit account. So you have to have an account with them and send me the email because I have to email take profit your email so they can transfer the credit to your account. That's quite the reversal there. I thought it was going to get low day again. That was instant, right?
Make sure you guys have all saved your seat with the free live training, too.
Top
Bounce
choice.
time, we'll see.
Top choice trading.
Yep, we'll see if it's bounce time. I would have preferred we took out this Asia low first.
I'm going to give you a count, okay? You've been very active, you know, all that stuff. DM me your email for take profit. Stick around. I may do some Apex too. You're welcome. Careful. Don't get any tilt today, everyone. This is a day that can easily give you tilt. Seeing this movement, not being a part of it, we had a losing trade, so that already adds to the frustration, triggering possible tilt. So I'm here to tell you, do not do it. It's not worth it. Awesome. If you want to rage out on something, save it for the gym. And push up, whatever you got to do. Sorry to hear that, David. I know it can be frustrating. Losing trades are not. I mean, as human beings, we don't want to lose, right? It's just not in our nature. And when we take a losing trade, sometimes if you're not careful, it can trigger the good old tilt. So tilt will put you further behind than any one losing trade ever will. A well managed losing trade, you know. Does anyone in here use code Grizzly for Apex? CMS, you got your payout approved this morning? Nice. Appreciate it. Maze, you always lose 50% of your morning gains tilting in the afternoon. Hey, Maze, maybe just not trade afternoons. That could solve that problem quickly. Maybe have a certain time you lock out. Appreciate you all. Let's see. Sometimes just simple little tips like that can save you a lot of money. Set an alarm on your phone to remind you of, the mistakes you're making on your trading journal and your logs. All right, who said that? Someone said it was going to high day from here. I'm gonna let's see. Who was that? Was it Money Mine Easy? Let's see. I hope you're right. Hope you're in the trade, but I don't know. I think we're gonna touch this Asia low. We'll see. Sorry to hear that, Chris. I mean, I think there's a possibility we could push up here because we have previous day point of control and we made a new one. They're both together. So as of right now, this is our volume based support. Until we fail it and close below, then it will become possible resistance. We'll have to see. Okay, in this poll, most people were saying longs today. $65% said longs, 35% said shorts. Appreciate it, Beck. Yesterday wasn't a very good trading day either. The price action may just be a tough week. We shall see. I'll be here every morning. I'm telling you, I will not quit. Will not give up. What else are we going to be doing besides wasting time if we're not grinding towards our goals? I'm just glad you're up, King. You're doing better than I am. Nice, Nick. I think I enjoy it. I mean, I enjoy all of our conversations for the most part. I really like when we talk about building companies outside of trading, stuff like that. I don't know. Oh, it looks like it's going to break down here. Do we finally get this last level I'm watching? Or is it just going to bounce point of control for the 12th time? Nick, DM me on IG about. I want to talk to you about the property. You have time today. I know you'll be busy whenever you get time. Have a good day, Fabiola. I always say your name right. I say it different every time, but you know what I'm saying. Have a good day. Appreciate you for joining. I don't know. My stomach is growling like crazy, though. It's like, feed me. You had a hard workout this morning. Give me some food. I did have one of the lean protein shakes from the gym. Grabbed it. I'm wanting to do a long stream today, but I don't see any more levels. Do you all? The only setup I like, it just fell right through. I mean, if you tried shorts, your stop would be 100 points. You know? I wanted to hang out for a while, but. $29,000 is the next demand area I have. What did you take? King, or who was that? Took that? Kurt, what did you take? I missed your trade, man. If it's printing for you, I'm happy. So. Yep. If you all have some questions, now would be the perfect time. I think I'm going to go watch the new Mortal Kombat today. I know, whatever, call me nerd, but I've yet to watch it. If it's still in theaters, it may be out. I waited too long, maybe. Maybe it's already out. Oh, I was going to give away some Apex, wasn't I? I don't know how many I have. Maybe giving away something I don't have. Let me see. All right, I'll do one Apex giveaway since I said I would. Um, Wednesday I'll have some more Tradeify for those that like Tradeify. Ryan Wiles. Ryan Wiles. You can have one Apex. You have to DM me.
$29,009
What a setup.
down to $29,001.
What a sell off, man.
So say we get this move down here, we still have a ways.
Jesus.
It's going to be higher risk if we do try this.
What are you watching?
Trying to find a short entry, man. It's just.
That's the problem. The candles are so massive. We'd have to have a 200-point stop loss. It's going to make a new point of control here. Third time in one day. One session. That is rare.
Yeah, it's going. She gone.
This is
I still think we
crazy.
can get a nice trade today. I got about 45 more minutes of trading.
I was wanting to hang out for a while today, but I just don't see anything. Unless we just get some kind of reversal candle, but how's that going to beat this volume, you know?
I got a feeling we see some support down here at 29,000 too. How much have I made today? Zero. I'm negative today. 230. So much risk too. Look how big these candles are. Like even let's say we took the upper end of the 2 bar at 240, you'd have like 70 points of freaking risk up to 310.
29,000. I mean, we have some demand there, but Does it just fall through it? 1,000-point move on NQ today.
Almost trader final boss. I know you're not talking about me.
That's a good one, though. Whoever said that.
I'm the opposite. I'm like the anti-FOMO trader final boss. I'm the I'll just walk away final boss.
Are they saying FOMO?
Yeah, someone said I was the FOMO trader final boss.
Good burn, whoever said that, but unnecessary.
Oh, what? Yep. Go on.
Got ready for some more coffee.
We low key have an anomaly going on right here too. So we have two aggressive 5-minute candles to the downside, both which are the same size, but one has, you know,
I mean, if you're looking at volume, this 200 would be entry, but your stop have to be above 315. So how does that even work? Is that not crazy? Some weeks are just not day trader friendly, at least not friendly for my strategies, you know? That's the days that we struggle are the days when you go back and you're back testing, like, hold on, I'm about to sneeze. Oh, go away, sneeze. And it just goes straight down when I say that. Has to be the inflation causing this, considering the rate, considering raising rates. But I don't want to waste your all time. I don't see anything else. I know it's been a tough start to the week. Nothing I can do. I can only trade my strategies when they confirm. That's all I can do. Um, I think tomorrow will be better once the CPI data is out, right? I think that will be what the market's waiting on to maybe respect technicals better, give us better entries, whatever is going on. Just come back tomorrow. Let's not fight this. I don't want anyone going on tilt. You took the losing trade. It was a legit setup. We all know it. Appreciate you all. I'll get the accounts sent soon. It's not going to be instant, but I'll get them out, okay?